Hey guys, it's Dawn again in Number 9 Farms. I just wanted to show you an update here on what I have after the surgery. Today is technically day 5, but I'm calling it day 6 because I have actually counted the day that I had the surgery. So I got a little fig tree over there, was doing super. That will make 9 fig trees that I'll have. All my plants are doing super. The Spilanthes are fully budded. I've got peppers hanging off. I just ate a Tam house. It was amazing. And this is what I have right now. And I've got so much to do, and I seriously need the help.
Some help.
I tried so hard to get as much done as I could before the surgery, but you know how life gets you. Something's always coming in the way, or you can't do what you got to do, and sometimes because something else comes up. So this is what I have, and I'm getting ready now to see what I can do outside because I've got a lot of things out there too to take care of. All right, guys, we'll be back in a bit. Here's what we got, and of course the grass hasn't been cut because everybody's been trying to do everything can to fit, you know, my job, so to speak. And I'm actually on a walker out here pulling the cot now. Pulling the water hose, the leaks, which they are doing amazing. And once again, I shout out to Dixondale Farms. Sorry about that. Trying to pull that water hose. And see how good the potatoes are done? I can't get over it. Little spider on there. They are doing so well. We got happy potatoes here. So I'm going to give each one of these some water. Now Bruce has come down to help pull the water hose, so that's a good thing. I got Dusty folding laundry, pulling out Colton's laundry and hanging that to dry. And Cougar was pulling up the trash, putting them in the cans. And Colton was going to take the trash off because we have to take all the trash off here to a local dumping facility. We have a nice place for bees. Look at the trees. Look at that. The bees are all out. It's a beautiful day. Definitely not a day I want to sit inside, because I love being outside. Oh my goodness. Oh, so these are the beets. You know, you really need to get everything about an inch of water a week because it takes a good amount of water to get down to the roots. I got a few of these little pots that I've had for years, like 2005 actually. My mother actually gave me. So I'm going to be using them for some stuff today too. I took the covered wagon off because of course now they were all set, ready to go. Leaves did burn up a little bit, even though I hardened them off, it just wasn't enough. I should have left the covered wagon on. Strawberries. I got tons of runners, so I'm going to have to replant them so they'll root. And Bruce put this nice little watering thing we've had for a while on. He's had to fix it though. Oh, I think he bought a new one. That's right, he did. He bought a new one of these. But because it was leaking, the old one was leaking really bad and it had split. These squash, they're looking a little pitty, but they're gonna perk up. We've had such cold nights too. It's just so weird. Grand solar minimum, right? Okay. So we got carrots here. More carrots. The onions. But, and I've had some onions already. I don't know if I've told y'all that. They are delicious. And these squash over here are doing amazing. Some more carrots. Bruce is setting everything up over there so we can plant inside today, or under a tent, should I say. So he doesn't want me to get any sun or anything because he feels like some of the medicine that they have me on might cause me to burn. And I said, that's a sulfur medication, but he insisted. Didn't want to take any chances. Alright, so let's look over here at these squash. Oh my goodness, you guys are beautiful. You guys are doing so well. That's the pump coming on. And peas. Look at this. Look how beautiful they are. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring y'all back once I get the tent and everything set up, so I'll be planting some more. Okay guys, so this is what I have right here inside the high tunnel. And my neighbor Linda said when she came down here with me yesterday to help me, and because of course Bruce was gone, and she said, oh, you don't have many plants in here this year or this time or something. And I was like, well, Linda, I did have a surgery. I didn't get as many in here as I had hoped. But the German Johnsons, look at that. Beautiful little buds everywhere. And I've got a couple things I've got to clip. And let me get over here, and Bruce puts the watering can way down, or the watering thing. So what I've been doing is I just use my knees and hold on to the walker and grab it. And then look at all these volunteers who've got to do something this, because they really are out of control. And they say a lot of times that when you have them in the high tunnel, which a few is fine, but if you do have them, that they can cause more diseases, basically, because a lot of times they take all the airflow, it's all kinds of things. Because my extension agent came down last year and she fussed at me for having all the volunteers. So, you know, not really fussed, but she basically told me I needed to get rid of every volunteer. And that's a hard thing to do when you love plants. Just a very hard thing to do. And this is what I'm talking about, cutting off the suckers right there, which actually turn into new plants. And this one has already got 2 on it right here. And then this will go on the strings all the way up to the top here, to that wire right there. And Bruce will hang those up. So I've been just hanging the water hose on the walker, and I'm holding on, and just wanted you to see, this is one of the Kellogg's breakfast tomatoes, more suckers. This is another big sucker right here. I'm gonna have to get the clippers to do that one, but I wanted to show you all the sunflowers. Oh, and the chicken tractor is way back there now, and there's another one. And Look at this. And then over here, look at that one. Hey guys, look at this. Bruce has set up a whole little place for me to plant. Happy Mother's Day. Colton's already back? Wow. And yesterday, I want to show you that guy delivered while Linda was here helping me. Bruce, can you pull him out and show him?
They're on the table.
Oh, duh. I didn't even see them, but they're still in the box. I got some new pots that I ordered from Grower Solution. And this is all set up now, ready to go. So I'm super excited to get some more planting done, and I'm gonna have to sit down. We have the dogs looking on.
A big brain the tent, didn't it, Grandma?
Yes. It wiped me out though. And now Bruce is mixing up the soil. He's we have black cow in there, the potting mix, and the compost, and that's a garden.
That's a mushroom compost.
Yeah, mushroom compost.
And then all your goodies in the bag.
Yes. And I'll be making some compost tea in a couple days. So I'll be able to water all the plants with some of the compost tea once they get a little bit more going, setting that fruit. But I'm really happy about the new pots. And I'm super excited. They came from Grower Solution. I said this already, but I just want to
We're going to reorder some more of them today.
shout that out. And that's one of our tanks over there that we get the water with.
That's our last tank of rainwater for the year. So now we'll be going to the swamp. He said he could fill it up for us.
Oh, good.
You know that anything.
Where's Mother's Day? He's going to do everything.
Mama needs, right?
Yeah. He's going to set me up with a chair and some water. Who else is out here joining us? Oh, and Julie. First pot done. All set to go here.
Probably enough till we plant, isn't it?
Yeah, that sounds good. Topping them off now, and he's already used the tape measure gun to go ahead and get them together, so when they grow up, and peppers get really big. My peppers last year, some of them we actually could have used. What was your conduit?
10 foot. They get 6 or 8 feet tall.
So there's no joke messing around here.
Yeah, these won't be big enough either, but they'll get us started good.
Yeah, at least, because they just had to get out those little pots, and with the surgery, this is what we got this year. So a new route, everything, you got to do what you got to do. Guys, guess what? I got all these done today. So these are all peppers, and these are those new pots. So I'm very pleased with them. And then tonight we're gonna it's Mother's Day, and we're gonna have a little salad and some hamburgers on the grill. And if you look right here, I'm gonna be picking those micro tom tomatoes, and I got some at the house that are in my little planting room. And also I have a few banana peppers that I'm gonna pick too, that were actually on the plants. So that's exciting. And they're the sweet banana peppers. Alright guys, well thank you. Guys, this is another thing I wanted to show you. I still have all these plants left in the, that's the walker moving, in here. Look, you see what I mean when I say I needed some help? Wait, get some more over here. And those are some of those tomatoes I have ready that I was talking about. Look at this banana pepper. And I got all these ready. And then I want to also show you, sorry for flipping you around. See that down there? That right there is a microton, not the microton, a subarctic. So it's already got a full-size tomato on it. And then this is another new little light that I found for $18 on Amazon. I'm sorry. My brain, after being out in that heat, I guess is not working so good. But anyways, thank you guys, and please have a happy Mother's Day and enjoy your day. Thank you.